A Christmas Night. As the snow gently falls from the sky, the world turns into a sparkling wonderland. The festive lights twinkle on every street corner, illuminating the faces of joyful children and smiling families. On this magical night, we gather around the warm glow of the fireplace, sipping hot cocoa topped with fluffy marshmallows. The scent of pine fills the air, reminding us of the beautiful tree adorned with ornaments and twinkling lights. Christmas carols echo softly through the neighborhoods, bringing a sense of peace and togetherness. We reflect on the past year, cherishing the moments spent with loved ones, and looking forward to new adventures ahead. As we unwrap gifts and share laughter, we remember the true spirit of Christmas, the joy of giving, the warmth of family, and the love that binds us all. May this Christmas night be filled with warmth, love, and the magic that only this special season can bring.